Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on iPhone. Since DaVinci Resolve is a powerful desktop application, there isn't a native iPhone app. The only way to utilize it on your mobile device is through a remote desktop connection. First, ensure your computer has DaVinci Resolve installed and a robust internet connection. You'll also need a reliable remote desktop application on both your computer and iPhone for seamless access. Once your remote desktop application is set up, establish a secure connection from your iPhone to your computer. You'll then see your computer screen, including DaVinci Resolve, mirrored on your iPhone. Navigating the interface will require some adjustment. Consider using a Bluetooth mouse for more precise control, as touch gestures can be challenging for detailed editing. Take a few minutes to explore the various panels and tools. With your remote connection active, you can now begin basic editing. Import your media directly from your computer's storage within DaVinci Resolve. Focus on fundamental tasks such as cutting and trimming clips and arranging them on the timeline. While advanced color grading or complex effects might be difficult on a small screen, simple edits like adjusting clip duration or reordering segments are entirely feasible with careful navigation. After completing your edits, it's time to export your project. Initiate the rendering process directly within DaVinci Resolve on your remote computer. Choose your desired export settings, such as resolution and format. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once exported, you can transfer the final video file to your iPhone via cloud services or direct transfer for easy sharing with others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.